Okay, I noticed about a half an hour or so ago we had a high green signal on the signal over here to my right on the main southbound, and just started the signal, so we're gonna get one more here today. 3 in one day. That's amazing. So let's see what we got here. We'll wait them out. Clear South Mitchellville, so he's probably on his way to Nashville. Some more auto racks. I thought the UAW was still on strike. I don't know. Okay, that's the end of that one. And this beautiful blue sky Tuesday afternoon. 3 trains in one day. That's impressive. I'll have to remember Tuesdays. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Till next time.